Learn how to trust yourself from others. Have you ever observed people who you felt were confident? They know what to do in most situations, know how to find the answers. They never let problems get in their way. They always know how to talk to people. Their confidence is their power. It's likely these confident people trust themselves. It is impossible to have confidence when you don't trust yourself. The confidence comes from an internal trust. It makes sense when you think about it. If you don't know too many people who are confident, try to learn about successful people. One great way to do this is to check out TED Talks. If you are not familiar with these, TED stands for Technology, Entertainment, and Design. It's an organization that exists to spread ideas, usually in video form. You can find many of these talks on YouTube. Just search for TED Talks. Many of these videos are short, but with high impact. It's unlikely you will find speakers that don't have confidence. You can observe the speakers in the video and see how they speak. Also, observe their body language. Do they smile a lot? Do they engage with the audience? Another source to draw inspiration is Amazon Books. Read biographies of successful people. It's a bit more difficult to find stories about confidence when reading through the biographies. That is because their stories may not specifically be about confidence. But it usually resonates through the story. If nothing else, you will pick up on some inspiration from other areas along with confidence. Look to take on a mentor. You will know when someone is right for you because you will both form a good relationship from the start. Mentors are people who trust themselves and have confidence. Otherwise, it's unlikely you would pick those people to be your mentor. You can establish a formal mentor relationship, or you can just keep in contact with someone who you respect. When you observe or reach out to confident people, it will help you become more confident. You can see what you are doing wrong and make changes. When you become confident, lack of trust in yourself will be a thing of the past.